Welcome to JSR DevOps YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about how to installation of Tomcat in our Ubuntu Linux Machine. For that, initially I search in the web browser Tomcat download. So if you click on it, so it will show different types of versions: Tomcat 9, Tomcat 10, Tomcat 11. So I choose Tomcat 9. And before going to installation of Tomcat, we need to install Java. So for that, I going through this Jenkins official website in the installation of Java. So I'll choose this one because I'll teach this class for only for beginners. If anybody will see, please follow this guidelines. So I will install this one. Before going to install, I will update this patches in my Ubuntu Linux. Update the package by using sudo apt update. Once updated, I run this command on my Ubuntu Linux machine to install Java. So Java is successfully installed. So then after that, I will check the version whether Java is successfully installed or not. So it show the Java version. So that means Java successfully installed. Once successfully installed, I will right click on this version and copy link address and paste on my Ubuntu Linux machine. So before I download this one, I add the duplicate. So duplicate, it will download the binary from central repository. So once successfully download, so I will go and check here different types of binaries are available. So I will click on this one and copy link address. So you can paste once the download, it will show like this. So I will enter the zip file by using unzip. So if for beginners we need to install the zip file by using apt install zip -y. If we run this command, sorry typo, install zip. If you run this command, it will install in your local machine, Linux machine. So once it will install, so we can use unzip command and unzip it. So once unzip it, so it will show the directories like this. So you can rename the directory with the name of with the use of mv command. So Apache Tomcat, I will change the directory name is Tomcat 9. So see, this is the Tomcat 9. So before going to access this directory and install run this Tomcat, we need to create the user by using add user Tomcat. So by using this command, it is secure. It will ask the username and password. So I doing this one. So in real time, we will mention the username and everything full details. But in my case, I do not need to do all those things. So we can check whether the user is created or not by using cat/etc password. So in this directory, it will show the all the users whose created the user. That users are all the about in particular directory, that is cat/etc password. So once so Tomcat successfully installed. So now we need to check the owner permissions. So at present this Tomcat 9, it has only root permissions. We need to change the from root user to Tomcat. What we are creating the that user we have to mention here. Before going to permissions, user permission, we have to check /etc/ssh/shtd_config. So here we have to comment password authentication yes. We have to remove it. So password authentication yes. So then after that we can save and come out. Service sshd restart. So once service sshd restart. Then we have to give the user permission vi sudo. So in the user sudo vi sudo, we have to give the user permissions like tomcat, all is equal to all, no password all. So once you have to mention in this particular file, then we can save by using control X. So already I saved, so for that reason it will show like this. So if initially you can save, you can control S, and after that you can hit the command Y, then only it will save and come out. So once it's successfully done, then I'll give the owner permissions by using chmod, like tomcat. Recursively I'll give the owner permissions hyphen R, capital R, tomcat tomcat. So then give the directory name tomcat name. So if you will mention hyphen R recursively means, then this owner permission entire given entire the directory. So if you check this one, so if this tomcat on user permission, it has give all the owner permission to particular directories and file. If you do not mention hyphen R, only that owner permissions, it has only the particular Tomcat directory. That means this directory only it has owner permissions. If you mention hyphen R recursively, it will give all the user permissions to particular directory. Then we have to give the owner permissions. Then after that we have to change the execution permission. If you go to the, if you are into the Tomcat 9, so we have to check. So in the bin directory, actually that default port is 8080. So I already installed Jenkins. That default port is 8080. In my case, I have to change the Tomcat default directory by using cd underscore config directory. Here you have to change that port, default port a server.xml. In the server.xml, we have to select connector port 8080. Here I am changing the port 7070. Don't forget here connector option is available. There only we have to change the port is 7070. Remaining is as this. Some people is trying to change this one also. Please don't change it anything. So you have to change here only. Then once if you save and come out, we have to start the Tomcat by using cd slash cd data. That means you are exit from the particular directory. Then you can go to the bin directory. You have to give the execution permission. At present, it does not have execution permissions, so you have to give the permissions to execute those things. So at present, it does not have any execution permission in the bin directory. So it has only read only. So we have to give execution permissions by using chmod. Because I have to given, I am giving 777 Tomcat. It is bin directory, right? Bin. So now you can check. It will change the color from bin green, and after that you have to log in. Then we have to check. So now you can execute this scripts. Now you can using start startup.sh. So startup, I given this command only, startup.sh. Now Tomcat is successfully. I need to check if config. The port is the IP is 192.168.1. So if this command is not work, if config, you have to install the app install net tools. So if you install this, then only you have to access net tools -y. So if you install this, So then net-tools-y, then install, then after only you can use if config. So it will give the IP, and you can check this IP and copy and paste 7070. So Tomcat successfully installed. So this manager app and host manager, how it will enable, I will show you next class. Thank you. If you have any queries, please comment. I will try to resolve. I will try to give the reply. Thank you.